SSC CGL 2025 starts from 12th of September, and these are my last minute tips for you. Usually when we go to the exam and by the time we click start, we feel panicked, our hands become sweaty and our heart races. This is absolutely common and this happened to me. And the way I handled it is very simple. Before I click start, I used to close my eyes and count numbers from 10 to 1 in a reverse manner, and I visualize the numbers. In those few seconds, I forget whatever is happening around me and I calm myself completely. And then I click start. Once I click it, in the first 3 to 4 minutes, I attempted only and only those questions that I know. See, in the first 3 to 4 minutes, if you attempt known questions, your confidence will build, you will fall into a zone and your brain will work very actively. And that is exactly what we need to do. So in the first 3 to 4 minutes, or for that matter 5 minutes, you answer the question if you know, else you simply skip it. Once you do this for 5 minutes, you will fall in zone and you will do it much better. The next one, save the last 5 minutes for recap. That is, in the last 5 minutes, you recheck the questions that you have marked for review and save for next. Then the bottom line for this year, this time, expect the unexpected. That is, see, we all know that there are a lot of problems in phase 13 and steno as well, but in the re-exam there is some progress. And with respect to CGL exam date and city, 90% of the candidates were given centers in their choices, that is first, second and third choices. So there is some progress definitely, but expect the unexpected. Please be prepared mentally for some or the other kind of technical lags and glitches. In case something like that happens in your exam, don't lose your cool, don't get frustrated, don't get panicked. It's okay, it is happening this time. So just relax, raise your hand, see if the issue can be sorted, else focus on what needs to be done at that moment. That is, live in the moment, behave in the moment, and that's it. The bottom line and the last suggestion for you, this is just an exam. If the paper is difficult, it is difficult for everyone in the shift, and if it is easy, it is easy for everyone in your shift. And new normalization formula clearly says your performance and in your own shift will matter, nothing else. So just go give the exam, don't worry about anything else. All the best.